Once upon a time, in the enchanting kingdom of Sparkleton, there lived a kind and gentle princess named Barbie. She had long, flowing hair that shimmered like spun gold in the sunlight, and eyes that sparkled like the stars in the night sky. Barbie's heart was as pure as the crystal-clear waters of the royal fountain, and her laughter could brighten even the gloomiest of days. Barbie adored exploring the vast gardens and majestic forests that surrounded her castle. With each step she took, colorful flowers seemed to bloom in her wake, and the birds sang sweet melodies to serenade her. But above all, Barbie loved to wear her exquisite crown, adorned with precious gems that glimmered with every movement. One day, as Barbie wandered through the royal gardens, she stumbled upon a hidden pathway leading deep into the heart of the forest. Intrigued by the mysterious path, she followed it eagerly, her long gown trailing behind her like a river of silk. As she ventured further into the forest, Barbie discovered a magical clearing filled with the most wondrous creatures she had ever seen. There were fairies dancing on the petals of giant flowers, and unicorns prancing gracefully through the emerald grass. In the center of it all stood a magnificent tree, its branches reaching towards the sky like outstretched arms. At the foot of the tree sat a wise old owl, its eyes gleaming with ancient knowledge. "Welcome, Princess Barbie," the owl hooted softly. "We have been expecting you." Barbie gasped in astonishment, hardly daring to believe what she was seeing. The creatures of the forest had been waiting for her. The owl nodded solemnly. "You possess a special gift, Princess Barbie," it explained. "Your kindness and compassion have brought light to our world, and now we need your help." Barbie listened intently as the owl told her of a dark shadow that had fallen over the kingdom of Sparkleton. An evil sorceress had cast a spell that threatened to engulf the land in eternal darkness, and only the purest of hearts could hope to break the curse. Filled with determination, Barbie knew what she had to do. With the guidance of the wise old owl and the support of her newfound friends, she set out on a quest to confront the sorceress and restore light to the kingdom. The journey was long and fraught with danger, but Barbie faced each obstacle with courage and grace. With her shimmering crown upon her head, and her long gown billowing in the